It's Miss Meg with another Art Feeds Makes. We're gonna make a very cool and interesting project together today, but before we get started, I wanna go back over the Art Feeds rules. Now remember, whenever we're doing Art Feeds, we're in Art World, and those 3 rules that we follow in Art World are 1, to be kind and be creative. That's kind to yourself and to others. Never say I can't, because we can do hard things. And 3, there are no wrong answers, because my creativity might look different than your creativity. Today we're gonna do what's called a portrait. A portrait is a drawing of a person's face. And we're gonna do it in a little bit different kind of way. It's a tracing portrait. So we will use cling wrap to press onto another person's face and trace it. And then we're gonna make these boards, or you can go on a walk and collect things that you find on the walk or in your yard and put it in this board to fill it with, and then make your portrait something really special. I'm gonna put this behind it so you can see. Yeah, now if you aren't going outside, that is perfectly fine. You can do this as well with objects that you find around in your house. We just have some simple supplies to get started. Something I want to mention is that if you don't have those supplies in your house, maybe you are missing cling wrap or you don't have cardboard or tape, that's just fine. You can print this out from the Art Feeds blog under Nature Faces, and we have a face all ready for you to go. You can either lay objects on this, or you can glue it down, whatever you like. And also, if you don't have a printer, you can just make your own face on a blank sheet of paper. Remember, there are no wrong answers. Members at Art Feeds named Miss Brooke has a 3-year-old daughter that she is doing this project with too. Let's watch and see how they trace each other's faces. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with your little hair. Get your eyebrows. Does it feel like I'm drawing on your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Judy, you're so good at holding still. Oh my goodness.
Not tickle.
And get your little dimples, your sweet little mouth. You have cute teeth. Come on. Okay. Do I do her ears? No. Okay. Oh! Who is that? Oh. Can you try to get her eyebrows? Yeah, good job. Oh, and can you try to get Mama's nose? Can you get my eyes? Did you get my smile? have a portrait that I did of my own face. This is the portrait that Junebug did of her mom, Miss Brooke. And this is the portrait of Junebug. You can see here. They all are so different and so wonderful. So remember, there's no wrong answers. These are all different. They all look amazing. You can also use this worksheet if you don't have these supplies at your house. And also, if you don't have paper or worksheet, the cool thing about this project is you can find your nature objects or found objects in the house and make your own face by laying it on the ground. So we would love to see what you make with this project. If you want to make it and have an adult tag, hashtag ArtFeedsMakes and ArtFeeds on Facebook and on Instagram. Thanks so much. I'll see you later.